Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the 22 Archangels Oracle. This is a brand new release from Gallerie with artwork by Jennifer Hawkyard, a 22 card deck and guidebook. This is published by Hay House, and this was from the Hay House card deck club that I purchased for this last season. So I'm really excited to get into it. I love Kyle Gray's work. So this retails for $13.99 in the US and $18.99 in Canada. The Archangels are a divine legion of angels who have been charged to serve, protect, heal, and guide humanity to wholeness. This 22 card deck creates a bridge between the realms so that you can tap into the Archangels' powerful supportive force, and they can help you live with purpose, experience healing, and ultimately step into the most authentic version of yourself. And if you're interested in this deck, I always post the links that are legitimate down in the description box below. So look at that reflection. I really do like the packaging. I do have lotion on my hands, so this might be a little bit of a struggle to open it. Okay, there we go. Divine Archangels, thank you for drawing close with your wisdom and light. I welcome your strength, guidance, and protection in all forms. And so it is. Love that. Guidebook, cards. Oh, may the light that was created and curated here today be for and toward the highest good of all. Love that too. All right, so we're going to take a look at the guidebook first, and then we'll dive deeper. We'll dive deeper after the flip through. Okay. Contents, here we go. How to use your oracle cards, bonding with your cards, creating a mega deck. All right. How the cards work, conducting angel readings, and a selection of spreads. And then it looks like it goes into the interpretations. Some information about archangels. Angel cards form a conscious connection between you and the angels. These beings will direct you to pick the cards that you need at the time. The more open you become to their guidance, the more accurate and insightful your readings will be. One great thing to note about angel cards is the fact that you can form your own intuitive interpretations of the cards and use them daily in your spiritual practice in life. So bonding and then activating your deck, creating a mega deck with all of his other decks. That's really cool. The cards, whether in a deck or a mega deck, are governed by the unseen law of attraction. So you will attract those that best mirror or represent your current experience. Working with this law, the angels will direct you toward the cards that will give you the information you need to know in order to move forward. It's important to note that your angels are your greatest cheerleaders, but if something isn't going to serve your life path, they won't encourage you to move in that direction. This can sometimes strain our relationship with our angels because there's a misconception in spiritual circles that they can help make anything manifest. They can work miracles, but they won't work them if it's not going to serve the greater good of humanity. Therefore, it's important to note that angels will only bring you what you need to know rather than what you want to know. If that makes you uncomfortable, good, because that means you're on the pathway toward growth, healing, and wholeness. You can use the cards as tools for yourself or to give accurate and insightful readings to others. There's no right or wrong way to conduct an angel reading. All right, cool. And then it gives you more information about reading. And then here's some spreads. We have a daily card, the Strength, Heart, and Challenge spread, a 9-card spread, and then it goes into the interpretations. All right, so let's get into it. I'm quite excited. I am not well versed in archangels. I do know some things, but not all things. So this will be an interesting deck to take a look at. There's the back. It is a high gloss. Let's talk cardstock. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, it is like right in that sweet spot. Like a little bit on the thinner side, but not too bad at all. I think it's going to shuffle just great. Flexible, but it's still snapping back. And it's, you know, your standard oracle size, which is a nice size to have. No borders. Ooh, look at that art. Very cool. So we have the name, a keyword, and a little blurb. So amethyst, metamorphosis. You are in a vortex of deep transformation. Surrender to the process that's unfolding. Ariel, sacred activist, protect what is right and just. Let love lead the way. Azrael, transcendence. You wouldn't be who you are without what you have overcome. Own your story. I'm going to mispronounce this, so I apologize. Camille, relationship assignments. No one crosses your path by chance. Choose to see the deeper reasons for the people in your life. Charity, pillar of service. Serve with a gracious heart and know God is serving you. This artwork is beautiful, and I honestly love that we have all of this on the card, because for someone like me who has no idea what, a lot of these archangels are representing, it helps connect with my intuition more. Look at those piercing eyes. Oh my goodness. Daniel, divine discernment. Trust in the messages within. They are divinely guided. Faith, moving mountains. Trust in your ability to create miracles. The impossible is becoming possible. Gabriel, divine emergence. It is time to be seen. Don't be afraid of your power and gifts. Oh, the power of being perceived. Haniel, embraced by love. Let love reach where it has never reached before. Hope, authentic reclamation. It's time to call back all of the lost parts of yourself. Jeremiel, personal responsibility. Take responsibility for your choices. This is an opportunity for inner growth. Jophiel, trust the unfolding. There is no wrong path, only choices that take you closer to or further from love. This is just beautiful. And it feels such, like there's a light behind it. It feels so positive and loving and comforting. And again, I'm not an angel or archangel person. Like that's not what I gravitate toward, but I really do feel very warm in this deck. Like not like temperature, but like that feeling of love, that heart chakra eminence. Metatron, heaven to earth. Your current situation is in alignment with your mission on earth. Michael. Oh, I love that they added the sword. I know Michael. Spiritual acceleration. You are experiencing spiritual upgrades. Move forward. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that. Okay. Orion, manifestation vortex. Focus your energy with unwavering faith to manifest the outcome you require. I'm honestly getting goosebumps with this deck. Regiel, listen, I apologize. Waves of healing. Be open and vulnerable as this will initiate healing and harmonious resolution. This is beautiful. Raphael, clarity of vision. Be willing to see things differently to initiate healing and experience wholeness. Raziel, the inner workings. There are hidden truths below the surface. Dig deeper. Sandalphon, building the bridge. Your role is to create a connection between heaven, earth, and all hearts. Seraphiel, heart of devotion. Let the cup of your heart be filled through commitment and dedication. Uriel, learning experience. Take time to review, study, and hone your knowledge before proceeding further. And the last one here, Zadkiel, Karmic release. It's time to release what's holding you back and step into a more radiant self. All right, this is gorgeous. It's beautiful. I love all the different skin colors and representation in here. I think that's so great to see. Oh yeah, and it shuffles just fine. I kind of want to make a mega deck with his other card decks that I have. That would be so fun. In fact, if you guys want to see a video of making that and utilizing it, let me know in the comments because I would be down to do that. And for 22 cards, it shuffles really nicely. All right, can I get a card to read, please? There we go. We've got Raziel, the inner workings. There are hidden truths below the surface. Dig deeper. Okay. So it has the same stuff that was on the card in the guidebook here. Raziel's name means secrets of God, and he is the angel who governs all the sacred laws and workings of the universe. This incredible angelic being is dedicated to those who want to live with purpose and leave a legacy of healing on the earth. If you are someone who feels that there are unseen spiritual laws governing your life, or you want to have a deeper, more personal understanding of God, the universe, and all things spiritual, Raziel is the angelic guide who can help you take that deep soul dive. So I love already that they have a little background of the angel, so that way those of us who aren't familiar can understand the connection. Okay, then we have the message. Your spiritual gifts and talents are beginning to blossom, but in order for your life to come into greater alignment, it is important for you to dig below the surface. This is a time to uncover truths, knowledge, and anything else that is being hidden from sight, including your own life. Angels want you to understand that spiritual work isn't just about learning or reading. It's also a deep internal excavation where you begin to see that all that you have faced, learned, and overcome is part of a greater unfolding that allows you to live with meaning and purpose. This isn't a time for you to hold back. Lean into your gifts with confidence, knowing that they are taking you toward an even more aligned experience on Earth. If you are feeling any resistance at this time, it shows that you want to make a difference and are concerned about doing things right. This awareness is what will lead you to greater knowledge and the expression of the talents that will help you heal others. Well, all right. Not bad for $13.99. I'm really excited to get to know this a lot better because I feel like this will give me a little bit more background of these archangels to help me, utilize the energy a lot better and get a better understanding, as well as get the healing messages that this was intended for. I think this is a great, I want to say flashcard learning kind of situation for these archangels, but it's also a great way to connect with and tap into that energy with your intuition. Great connection to the archangels if you are someone who wants to work with that energy and doesn't know where to start. This is a great deck for that. I love the artwork. It's stunning. It's very warm, like I said before. It feels like there's just light emanating from it. It's just stunning, and I really appreciate the time that went into to create the representation here. It's just stunning and gorgeous, and the quality is great. Like I said, I cannot complain for $13.99. So if you own this and have utilized it and worked with it, let me know what you think down below. If this is brand new to you, what do you think? Is this something that you would enjoy working with? Is this something that you find value with? Do you want me to create the mega deck with you guys and work with it? Let me know down below as well. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.